about rampant insult social media platform but I'll say the right approach na address issue no.
I don't know them.
Because first see and ya chinipa bebre was anyoma yin lady ya na nsen police for akwakoche say obedi the attempt can sem fata for president Sir John, I believe says high time you use the approach they stop vigilantism no. You did the same approach
vigilantism there. Political
yes. Yes. You did the same approach. Address that social media abuse na two parties in Obia guilty. MPP NDC. Obia on the young one and an nipa or tiwa or yes and your money be encoso. And Ekoba say I said una when you 2 minutes, o the 2 minutes say oh the ya messy. And now ya remember I'm running away then. Edia. Then now come the other part in this way feel say the Ekoso he's not being treated fairly. At this point. Enkan hu say mabunu no ana ade we ye den ekotia omo ababa we ya chini enne so person otukwan ontimi ntukwan bi mu because no embassy and be tolerate this attitude ye be ka say nya menua obi ba bi na ye sa de ba e koba esa kwa bisi ya nka say yeso amaniko na ntena se no monti omo ho asese sa anyoma ye ekosu se opese wo kan wo policy opese obi tu abama wa ehia so be fa obi am ye didi atema wo Sanyoma ekosu eya ye tan dodo.
Someone am into cyber security near.
And I also me pese omumienu two parties in say. E omu crofo na e. Glady odi atema ma MPP. Obi foforo so be di atema ma NDC. Omumienu na ambra se si ye supporters omudi echi sanyoma ye mo nya biem. Na omu ni omunya kasa kire because o feel say obi ye side we aboa wo.
Na se emra ho
Sir John emra si use
emra no na use other politicians so monte ase
and any asem no now emra ne no nipa dodo say na even this current administration emra ni ndi omo asesa ochi no bi be ba be kan sem bia obete kra na sese ne obi aka dada so it tells you say yes the emra ni adwuma de but eto da emra no so o enforce ni bebra unya desired results no so you need to look at a different approach
abaya no okay
you need to look at a different approach.
Now, no to for say Bonia would the baby she be the Bonia cyber security for be foul.
Yeah, be foul.
But Sela, we must warning.
And on America said now we need to educate the public so well. Idea we are the current manipa we oba we enko ni trim say baby be foul. Nim say o di atama politician bi. Ya china, ya ba be Jan on a press freedom na there be. You see, you have your freedom of speech, but your freedom after speech no enya guaranteed. And then Uncle be bring den enim no and mesre opposition party so onim say oh yes idea we ama wa gain the political point say current administration in tolerant mesre dwene ho say e o mabunu na ade o mo be adwuma ya o ma na ho say o mo dachi and na me kan ababa wa we yi ni say den 10 years o kokra so otu kwan na busu enim years o bona ma na tu kwan onya vesa da adwuma bie no e be fa no Akoma FM obie no obebi adwuma wo ha obefa even politician no odi atama no kra obi adwuma kra onfa no
o wonde obefa no
onfa no
na sa wo yesi abaye popular ewo political party
mame popular person be na why say anyoma we politician bi afa na adwuma ono na ebie ni station
na sa bronye ye or your political figure or so your regional chairman
oh na abronya as a regional politics girl we obetima ko stand so ko pre bibi ontimi eitine da chia na os ansa na ni be ba ne ho so no na ye de ham na di na wie means what the make na see a it also nya discussion
is it that omo na no mo feel say omo kan for mo ho adi me I still want to understand because social lady ni baby no what say o some na no odi atem some kan no
mo no more than 3 video or about 3 videos lady we my monitor me thought I me share that to me boss monitor san crofo weeper because
as I can ho bi no mo hwe na
me nka ho bi but I thought that yadwuman san your man na aka ho you need to investigate and get to know the real issue like then ekoso so I thought I thought that social media platform me share that corner me hwe I thought in crofo live because one say obi a o esen ka also say onim de pa no beto na education na wanya ato atwene no aba social media na nsem fata na oyeden okay it tells you says either will be motivate you omusa monyamo ya ye wo achede we de eden edema
but I want to ask a question. Let me start a question. Atem is not any relative because me bahanum say ye was at my me because obi ekoshinia e Atem Didi pa kese pa ba me komi krum ho no ma enya Atem Didi e obi a wotwa ntro is it not relative because if say old checking it from that point of view dear na any action beyond
it depends on yes depends on
and who you are directing it to yes they are all directed to say me direct you kwhwini to Infantinia me expect say be nia
yes
ma me direct to Asantinia me expect say be nia
yes
so you should know the all director as am I then akone so and you don't tell me say girl we
no some no can there
yes I get it too I get it too because you say we have a certain language barrier. It is also one of the causes of some of these is you setting the straits because onim ebi wo no mo a onim say in this especially my family Ibrahim for example say Ibrahim can the krum kasa now so ugina chira wa hwe be kasa odi ni patronatem and I say like he's being too harsh but that is how they speak, that is how they talk. What I say omo kasa de bi wo no mo a too harsh wo de chira kasa too harsh but to them it is normal.
I get it.
What I say. But so there's a certain language barrier that needs to be defined very well. Me supporting your ear so. No, I would never support it. But you see, they are not also being motivated by some of these politicians because after all, they don't be free.
After all, they no.
The politicians, what are they going to get from?
Oh, they get political points from it.
No, but when they who say aye or expect to say party be too edinechi.
And I say if the party is reasonable well enough, they will not follow things like this.
Oh. You see, me person me can't say me mama koye sound so political in my submission, okay? By you krom ha, ana TikTok abako. Ebe di attempt can sometime a plane crash ni see helicopter crash ni buy no. E can sem fata ye che no. A whole flag bearer of an opposition party. E will come in no. After the arrest. E will come in on camera.
eno na akoye motivation
dey so no so person oye bi na ye friend no
ali so opepani bi ehia
na pani ni bam no
opepani bi ehu no
if the political party is reasonable well enough sanema will most
so that is how we need to have a discussion. It is a galamsey issue o ma ye ti omo amenemu na nyom na ehodi galamsey site no e mpanimfo bi a omo no omo interest e protected osoro so no the pass e kwacha brand ne pass so emfa ne ho because enyo no na ye chi no den na excavator be seize no obeje obefre pani bi amayaje sa na me pese ye ti ase say emaba wa ne mranti ye omo social media omo di atem ye se de bi emfa nkwachi omo ye nche ya mabunu da chi ya na ye say no now ye have a discussion na ye nti ase say say di atem we is being influenced by NDC MPP obi amfa ni tuo nkotre ye twere. Now let's look at the development of your mabunu because said me kan say you me nko bia adwuma na me nko ana me board nko fa obi metna say e be vet no ne e be hwehwe mu ne e wo so politically motivated even to an extent otimi di opponent atem company bia or brand enti da achi ababa wa we obetimi akopa adwuma da achi na busuani bi yes obefa na tukwan na say odno apese otukwan a obetwie scam connection man na enko odba akɔhye ne na bi ye otini bia bi se ne na ebenfo. And sign your money and your digital era. The obey be no people. Bibianko. And it's a national issue. I think at this point I would advise yes. San and Rani say but we should have another angle to address this issue.
And that angle, no, and I'll say, Obia political parties in Yano.
Yes.
And consign
Kratas. Yes.
They agree.
Yes. Obia supporter. And Concoyede. And Koyesa Nyoma we be.
So I want to understand.
I mean, you not
because Emra. So be the bonnet to this extent that what does the law says? Say Abronya kwa kodi di attempt and Agewe yakwa kodi di attempt. Na say ya chino. Ne na kwa kodi Emra anymore. What does the law says about it? Say Emra ne makwan say yemfa di pakro no koto fiase. Na onko serve a certain term within a certain time. Then we know say oh yes aboni we ya. Samra way and the bedu. But look at the way the framework of Samra way. Omokwa na yakwa yi omo ye de wetre sa ye bekọ ye ma ye bekọ sa back and forth sa be na asem na to atwa. Na akwakọ ye say oh we dey just scoring a political or they score political points near there. But say emra no say abronye enimumra no so nimo I say ignorance of the law has no excuse. Say mrane say udidi atema. Ye beche watum. Ye che utum so a. Wobekwa koda fiase ebia bosumi nsia anasa afi baako a. Ye masa mra no nya adwuma ne yempe obi ne yemfa mra no enso ne kon omo di sansem oni we no. Ye fa mra ne so okon ye mu won konkodam. Now if I serve it as a punishment or as a deterrent to omo a afraid omo ayo omo adwen say and
confidela the message we about say Ruby say about or say where were all the concerns 3-4 years ago? Government protected Kevin Taylor by
that is it.
No, but say he was brought here.
He's part of the
whole
system.
When a matter was raised against him,
he's part of the system.
He was brought here.
No, get it right.
Emma, no, you see
the boundary settings is also very important.
No, but you see the issue is that say obi yade. Said ye Samekan say obi ayache no.